Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. On today's video, we're doing an unboxing and reviewing of a set of turbos that I purchased from ARASHI Dynamics. I am very excited to open these up and show you guys what I got. I received it yesterday from DHL. I believe they shipped it out of Taiwan. ARASHI Dynamics is a Japanese company, and I believe where they assemble their turbos is in Taiwan, and they ship them directly from there to the States and wherever they order them. I reached out to them to ask them about the product and ask them a lot of questions. They replied to each and every single question that I had. They were really good to deal with, really good people to talk to, and really informative about their product. So I think that's a good thing in a company. I believe they're new to this style turbos, which is a Kuro turbo. These two in particular are two Kuros 2867s, and they have a 72 AR turbine housing. This is what I'll be using, and we're gonna try to get 700 horsepower or 700 plus horsepower with these two turbos on my car. So we're gonna put these turbos to the test and see how they can handle the power. They look really good in the pictures. I haven't personally seen one. I think I've seen one video, so that's why I decided to do a video unboxing and reviewing of them. So today we're just gonna open them up, get them out the box, see what we got, and then there's gonna be several more videos where we're gonna be installing these, when we're gonna be tuning the vehicle, pushing it as hard as we can. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and we're gonna have a lot more content on these bad boys. So we got two boxes inside a bigger box. Yes, because we got two turbos. So let's start with this one. They're both going to be the same. I believe they're both going to have exactly the same thing inside. But let's start with this bad boy right here. For some reason, I like to open them from the bottom up. That's just me. Packing. Ooh. Start with this. Okay, we got spread the word and receive infinite reward. That's nice of them. I'm thinking they're doing this because they're a new company and they want a lot of people to know about them. But that's nice. This is the balance sheet, and it even has a watermark from them, so you know it's not fake. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. That's when they balance the turbo out. I don't know, I think it's really cool, really nice. Let's see. And of course, like in everything, you get a little sticker, which I am going to put on my wall. As you can see, I have a whole bunch, but I don't have this one. So let's see what else we got in here. And I think it's just like a thank you card for purchasing the turbos. And then look at that, they send you a keychain. A really nice keychain. Yeah, these here on the front are their other lineup. These are just Arashi, and I believe these are mostly the ones for the Subarus and Evos, like the upgraded turbos. They look really nice. So this is the Kuro lineup, which Kuro, it's another Japanese word that stands for, or it means black. And I'm guessing this is why they have the black housing on them, because of the Kuro. I don't know what kind of car that is, but it looks like a JDM pickup truck or something like that. And they used an GTX2867, which is the same one that I got, and it's a 71 Datsun 521 truck. Nice. Look at that. Let's go through these real quick. Ball bearing turbos. Rocking the new ARASHI GTX2867 ball bearing turbo on my build. Here in South Africa. Oh yes, what I'm thinking is these are pictures from like all the customers, and they send them back. These are the ones for the EJ20 WRX. These I seen a couple of them out there, and I guess that's why they ask you to send a picture back to them. So let's see what else we got here. The t-shirt, I think it is. Looks like to be a really nice t-shirt. So we got a free t-shirt. This is the hardware kit that it's included for the price, which I haven't even talked about the price. I paid $1,710 for both of these turbos, which I think it's a really good price for what you're getting. These look to be some really good turbos, but we're not just gonna think they're really good turbos. We're not just gonna believe they're good turbos. We're not just gonna take whatever they say about their turbos. We're gonna put these turbos to the test, like I just said. We're gonna try to push 700 plus horsepower. This one right here is gonna be your feed, and I think one of these is gonna be for your coolant and your return for the cooling. These are oil and water cooled. You have the other section of the B band. I believe this is the one, the flange for the manifold. Yep. Or this one's for the manifold actually, and then the other one is for the downpipe. So that is really cool. They include these for you with both clamps. These are stainless steel, so they're of good quality. And then you got a bag with some banjo bolts and fittings, AN fittings, and then this bad boy, which is if you don't have a turbo car, it's so you can put your return feed or return line to the oil pan. You drill it and you put it on, but these are going on a bi-turbo Audi, so I shouldn't have to use those. So I'll probably use some of these fittings. So far, so good. At least that's what I think. And now it's time for the main. Oh yeah. Even their box, I mean, for being a economy turbo, if you want to call it that, or cheaper turbo. They're not the cheapest ones you can get out there, that's for sure, but they're not the most expensive either. But I mean, they take pride in what they sell because they got some really nice box, tape, and packing. Alright, this is the last thing we're taking out. These in the picture look really nice, but I think nice. Really nice. Nice. Yeah, let me show it to you guys. Man, this is heavy. I don't even think you can see this really good, but I guess let me actually grab the camera and bring it to the table. Sorry, taking me forever. All right, so look at that nice anodized red. So this one is the return for sure because of the size. This will be the feed, and these are for cooling, these two. So I mean, basically, I think it's just like looking at a Garrett turbo, but nicer. At least it looks a lot nicer. I really like the powder coat. I really like the anodized billet wheel, and it even has their logo right in there. And then they got their little badge here with the Kuro ball bearing turbo series GTX2867. Nice. And like I said, the turbine housing should be 72. Yep, it's right here. Nice. But I'm really excited. This thing looks gorgeous. Hopefully it will perform just as good as it looks. But yeah, this is it. And then the other box right there is just gonna have exactly the same thing as I just got from here. It's gonna have the t-shirt, it's gonna have the keychain, it's gonna have the hardware, it's gonna have that envelope, it's gonna have the little sheet with the balance sheet on there, so when they balance this bad boy. So man, all we got left now is to install them on the car and push them as hard as we can. So if you guys want to see more videos on these turbos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we're installing these on one of my builds, the EXO S4. If you guys haven't seen that, I will put a little link right here so you guys can see it. But it's work in progress right now. But eventually these two turbos are gonna be top mounted all the way in the front of the car, so they're gonna be really visible, they're gonna be really out there. That's one of the reasons why I really like these, because they already came powder coated, and that anodized billet wheel looks gorgeous. So I'm probably just gonna get a velocity stack for this right here, maybe a blue one or maybe a carbon fiber one. It all depends on what goes better with the car. That's probably just gonna make it look a lot better. So we're gonna be running E85 So we'll see how these hold on to E85. I think that's gonna cut it for this video. Like I said, this was an unboxing and a reviewing of, I guess, how the turbo came and how it looks. But I'm gonna try to make another video where we compare the turbo with maybe a Chinese turbo and maybe a Garrett turbo. What I mean by Chinese is like the really low-end eBay turbos. I didn't purchase this at eBay. I purchased it directly through them. Like I said before, I contact them directly. They reply super quick. They were really informative, so they are really good people to deal with. I really recommend them. And then we're gonna see how these perform. So that's gonna cut it for the video, guys. If you liked it, if you find it interested, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And we will have some more videos coming. Peace. All right, guys, so here we have the box as exactly